Rebrand, to change the image, name, etc. that a company presents to the public. Bid, to utter a greeting, farewell, etc. Fascinate, to attract a person's interest or attention. Marketplace, an open space where a market is held. Revenue, money that a government or organization earns. Bankruptcy, the state of being legally unable to pay money owed. Elon Musk replaces Twitter's blue bird with X logo. Elon Musk has introduced a new X logo to replace Twitter's famous blue bird as he continues his rebranding of the social media platform that he bought for $44 billion last year. The X started appearing at the top of the desktop version of Twitter on July 24th, but the bird could still be seen on the smartphone app. When asked what tweets would be called when the rebranding is done, Musk said that they would be called X's. It's yet another change that Musk has made since buying Twitter that has turned off users and advertisers and created an opportunity for the new Meta Threads app. Musk had asked fans for logo ideas and chose one, which he described as minimalist Art Deco. He replaced his own Twitter profile image with a white X on a black background and posted a picture of the design projected on Twitter's San Francisco headquarters. And soon we shall bid adieu to the Twitter brand and, gradually, all the birds, Musk tweeted Sunday. Musk, CEO of Tesla, has long been fascinated with the letter and had already renamed Twitter X Corp after he bought it in October. The billionaire is also CEO of rocket company Space Exploration Technologies Corp, commonly known as SpaceX. He started an artificial intelligence company this month called XAI to compete with ChatGPT, and he calls his son with singer Grimes X. Musk's plans to create an everything app similar to China's WeChat, which includes video chats, messaging, streaming, and payments. Linda Yaccarino, the new Twitter CEO, posted the new logo and wrote on Twitter that X would create a global marketplace for ideas, goods, services, and opportunities. Experts, however, predicted the new name will confuse much of Twitter's audience, which is already unhappy with Musk's other changes, such as limiting the number of tweets users can read each day. Twitter revenue has also dropped sharply since Musk took over the company and laid off around 3/4 of its staff to cut costs and avoid bankruptcy.